Assalamu alaikum students. Today in this video we will be discuss about rest and motion of the body. So what's mean by the rest and what's mean by the motion? In the starting we will be discuss about rest. So the definition of rest is that if a body does not change its position with respect to surrounding. So when a body does not displace its position with respect to surrounding, then the body will be in the state of rest, while the body in the state of motion, if it covers some distance according to their surrounding. It's mean the observer relate to their surrounding, they observe that the body changed its position. That's why we can say that the body is in the state of motion. So in the other case, when a body does not change its position according to the observer, so and according to observer which are related to its surrounding, then the body will be in the state of rest. So look at the paragraph which is discussing here. If it is the passage of time, an object does not change its position, then it is at rest with respect to the observer. And if it changes its position with respect to observer, then it is in motion. When we look around us, we observe that many objects do not change their position, thus consider them to the state of rest. For example, a bench is parked fixed under a tree. It is at rest, is there no change in its position with respect to us while standing near it. It will be passenger of passage of time. On the other hand, we also observe that the objects do not change its position from one place to another. Hence, we consider them to be in the state of motion. For example, car is moving in their change and its position with time. So, how can we relate motion with other things, especially motion in relative form? So, interestingly, objects can be at rest in motion at the same time. It's this is that a body will be in the state of rest or in motion at the same time. How it will be happen? So look, it looks simple to distinguish the rest and motion from the example. A car starting its change its position with reference to its surrounding. We say that the car is moving. However, we know that the earth is spinning about its axis, so the car, along with its roads, is also in motion. Not only is this, but earth is also moving around the sun, and the sun, along with the rest of the solar system, are also moving through only Milky Way or galaxy. Apart from this over galaxy, it is also traveling through space. How can we say that our observer can have different opinion about state of rest or motion? For example, dashboard of car is at rest with respect to a person inside car. Hence, how tissues work in its motion with respect to a person on ground. So this is the basic difference between the motion and rest. I hope that you have already understand about the concept of motion and rest. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the vector quantities and scalar quantities. So here I want to explain only the definition of the vector and scalar. The vector quantities are those quantities in which the magnitude and direction of a quantity is given, while the scalar quantities are those quantities in which there is magnitude and only unit, not a direction will be mentioned in that one quantity. So that's one quantity is known as scalar quantity. So thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.